As old as this manicure is, no, I am not still wearing this, just to let you know. I haven't uploaded in over like 2 weeks because I've been getting more hours at work. I haven't had time to record and edit, but I have still been recording, so don't worry, Essence of Polish ain't going nowhere. I'm still gonna give you videos, okay? By the way, welcome to any and everybody who's watching. Today I'm going to be using this empty perfume bottle to make a DIY cuticle oil. And this perfume bottle was the roll-on kind, you know, the kind with the little ball on the inside, and you just roll it on wherever you want to put it, like around your neck or something. So I'm just going to pop out the ball and the little plastic piece, clean it all out with some alcohol. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you didn't know that you can pop out the ball and the little plastic piece on these types of perfume bottles, because I feel like a lot of people didn't know that. So I'm just curious to know if you knew it or not. I usually pour alcohol and used polish remover in my trash can because my trash can is usually full of paper towels, so the paper towels would soak it all up anyway. But my trash can was empty. Like, I just emptied my trash can, so I'm just folding up this paper towel, and then I'm going to pour out the alcohol onto this paper towel and then still use that to clean off the little ball and plastic piece. Now that the bottle is all clean, I'm going to fill it up with some oil, and I have a lot more than this, but this is just the ones I chose to go with for today. You can use any type of moisturizing oil, but like I said, I just wanted to go with these. So first I used sweet almond oil, and then vitamin E oil, and then grapeseed, and then olive oil. And the sweet almond oil already had a dropper, and the olive oil already had like a nozzle tip to it. So for the vitamin E and grapeseed oil, I just have this medicine dropper that I use for refilling my cuticle oils or my empty polish bottles or whatever I need to refill. I use a medicine dropper for that. At first it didn't apply very good, like the ball was still dry, but the more you roll it around and let let the ball get saturated with the oil, then it will apply a lot better. This is the one I keep in my backpack when I'm on the go. And yes, I said backpack because I like a backpack. Sometimes I'll use a purse, but for the most part, I like a backpack. But anyway, the problem with this one is sometimes you don't know where to put down the bottle when you're brushing on the oil. Like when I use it in the car, like when someone else is driving, you don't want to put it down on the armrest because the person is driving. They'll make a turn and then the bottle's gonna slide in the car floor and make a mess. This little bitty bottle is uncomfortable to hold between your knees. And one time I put it in the little car handle, the door handle, the one where like it's a little hole and you can put loose change, other little small random stuff in it. I put it right there and I still wasted it. One time I let my niece use it at church. She wasted it. So this one is easier to like make a mess with it when you're on the go because you don't know where to put down the bottle. But yeah, that's why I'm going to prefer to use the perfume bottle, because now I can just open it up, use it, put the top back on it. There you go. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.